Okay, in this video, I'm share to you about how to make the modern villa with this concept idea, with the swimming pool, and with this meshing. Okay, first of all, we can determine about the materials. This one with using the the water materials. We can assign about the water materials on this material types in here. Okay, we can select the water. Okay, we can determine what water materials in here. Okay, it's like this. So this is about the infinity pool in here with the water flow concept in here. We can push it up a little bit, and okay, we can make this one in here and push it down. Okay, and we can click and push it to the another side in here, and double click and also make group. Okay, and after that, now we can determine about this position, this opening position in here, and then now we can push it to the another side in here. Okay, and after that, now we can click and select a move. Okay, tap control and just place to the position in here. Okay, and after that, now we can triple click this one and select a move, tap control. Okay, we can just place type 5/ and enter in here. Okay, and after that, now we can select the glazing in here. You can select the blue glazing over there to determine about this design anyway, and okay, we can double click again, and now we can erase the unnecessary object over there. And okay, and now we can determine about the materials, this one. Okay, with this with the unique materials in here. Okay, anyway, I've already prepared about this materials. I've already prepared about these materials in here. Okay, with this one, so we can just select the materials with using the appropriate materials, just like this. Okay, I think this is appropriate materials, and now we can determine about the decking over there. Okay, we can determine about the decking with using this one, this decking materials, and now we can determine about the concrete. Okay, with the concrete materials. Okay, with this one, and with this one here. Okay, so this is about the organic landscape. Now we can select the freehand to make the organic landscaping in here, to make it more representative in here. Okay, we can just select landscaping in here and assign about the landscaping over there in here. And okay, and after that, now we can just determine again with the freehand again to make it more natural. Okay, with this landscaping in here, over there in here, and now we can determine again about this decking. Okay, we can determine it to be a decking materials in here. Okay, so it was a grid landscaping in here. We can make the freehand again. Okay, with this one, sorry, with okay, okay, and after that, now we can determine, we can select a move, tap control, and just place on the position in here. And now we can select a move, tap control, click and explode in here, and explode again, and just make group. Okay, and scale it down in here, and now you can move and duplicate. So we can move it. Okay, we can move it down. Okay, we can just place on this position in here. Okay, now we can determine about this one, and we can just select move, tap control, and just place on the position, and on the position in here to make it representative one. Okay, and select a move and just place on the position in here. Okay, and just like this. Okay, so you can explore more about the stair in here again to make it more representative one in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial, and we can also set up about the shadow to make it more representative, just like this in here. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.